everybody.
Hi everyone. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys.
We are now on the airport at 6:28 in the morning ng December 30.
Yes.
And we'll be going where? Where are we going?
Hong Kong
We're going-
again.
And this time, we're just gonna enjoy the place. No, kami lang family. And sama rin kayo sa amin kasi may iba kami mga pupuntahan na hindi na masyadong popular. Tama ba ako? Or hindi na masyadong touristy yan. Except for siguro Ocean Park kasi hindi pa nakapunta si Likha doon. And gusto lang namin na makita niya. So, we're just waiting for our plane. So far, sa immigration, wala nang tanong-tanong.
Wala na.
Wala na. So, ayan na. May mga iba na nagbo-boarding call. So, yun. Hindi namin boarding yun. But we're waiting for our 7:25 flight. Siguro in a few minutes, tatawag na rin ng boarding. So, until then, we'll see you. Ay, saan tayo mag-stay?
Ramada.
Ramada Chimchachu.
Ramada sa Kowloon, no? Sa Chimchachoy area. Yun. So, New Year gusto namin makita kung makikita namin yung fireworks sa Victoria Bay. But, we'll see kung gising pa tong maliit by that time. But yun, no? So, just try to enjoy that place and hopefully, may mapakita rin kami or may makita rin kayong mga lugar na mapuntahan nyo at ma-enjoy. So, until later, bye-bye!
Bye.